a lot of media and a lot of boxing people that do get, but this is tremendous business, absolutely tremendous business. But it's not the slam dunk that many people think it is. And it's also not something where, Cody, by example, or Jose, if they're talking about going into this, that is a little bit confusing to me. It's like, hey, guys, you're fantastic talents. You guys could have been the best boxers in the world. But a number of years ago, you elected to become the best MMA guys in the world, and you elected to do that for business reasons. The business hasn't changed in boxing for the upturn. It has changed in MMA for the upturn, so stick with MMA. And any of those guys that are looking at what Conor's about to do, hey, even Conor isn't going to go do great things without Floyd. It's the perfect storm. It's a one-off. It's a one-time deal. It's a sideshow. It's an oddity. It's all these things that you want to talk about, but it's still real. It's very much real. There's very much an opportunity, but it has to be all of those pieces lined up. There's nobody in the world I can think of that you could say Jose Aldo's going to box, and I'm going to go, wow, I got to see that. Same thing goes with Cody. There is guys you could say Cody's going to go do MMA with, and I'm going to go, wow. In fact, he's got one now. TJ Dillashaw, his former teammate. Incredible storyline. As organic and real as it gets. And same thing with Jose Aldo. Some really incredible storylines built in for MMA for him that weren't there years ago. Nobody really ever cared about Jose. Fantastic talent. He hasn't got people to care. Well, that's changed a little bit. There are people that all of a sudden you're going, you know what? I do want to see that fight. Max Holloway versus Jose. We were that way with Frankie. That fight happened a couple times. Okay, fine. Conor, of course, versus Jose. I mean, there's a lot of things for Jose right now. For him to think, hey, I want to jump ship and go into a different sport. It's just like, hey, Jose, I'm not sure you've thought this through. Your time is finally here. You worked really hard to get it. But go out and enjoy it a little bit.
Did you get a chance? Those are great points, by the way. Did you get a chance to watch the UFC this weekend?
A chance. I cleaned up. On the UFC this weekend. You know where I did it? You know where I did it. I don't have to tell you. I did it at BetDSI. Guys, go to BetDSI.com right now. Set up an account. BetDSI has over 20 years in the business. They are a top-rated sports book. By many review sites, they've even got mobile access. The product is easy, simple. You can use it anywhere. If you're on a smartphone, go download the BetDSI app. Here's the deal. For my listeners only, 200% bonus. Guys, I do not know how long this is going to last. I can't believe they put this offer out here to start with. 200% bonus on your first deposit by using the promo code CHAEL200, which means if you put up $500, you can put up anything. I'm using this number. If you put up $500, 200% bonus means you will have $1,500 on the books over there. $500. When you go to checkout, you will see $1,500. It can't be any simpler than that. I've never heard of a deal this good. I don't know that they're going to do away with this, but I'm telling you guys, they're likely going to do away with this because this doesn't make any kind of sense. They are going to give you 200% on your money just for signing up. Go to BetDSI.com. Set up an account. Use the code CHAEL200.